In this third example, we're going to integrate this expression from -1 to 2. We integrate into a squared bracket. The 6x squared would become 6x cubed divided by 3. For the 6x, remember x is x to the power 1, so when we increase the power by 1 we get 2 and divide by the new power. Minus 3, remember 3 is 3x to the power 0, since x to the 0 is 1. So this becomes 3x to the 1, or just 3x. The closing bracket carries the limits. We can tidy a little here before we substitute in. This gives us 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x from -1 to 2. This becomes two round brackets with a minus sign between. The first bracket has the expression evaluated with the top limit, so we substitute 2 in for x, and the second bracket is evaluated using the bottom limit, so we substitute -1 in for x. If we evaluate this first bracket, 2 8s are 16, 3 4s are 12, take away 6. For the second bracket, this would be -1, so times 2 gives -2, add 3, and then add 3 again. Now evaluating, the first bracket, 16 plus 12 take away 6, is 22, and for the second bracket we get -2, add 3, add 3, which is 4, so we have 22 take away 4, which is 18.